Chairperson ko All India Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee, henek sngi balang kalaong batangka party jongka kabala banai ya ka sorkar ka ba Shakri bha ya ki Paidbah ka Jylla Meghalaya. Ka Banerjee ha ka jinglet yu kjat Hanot Garo Hills la padyang sngo bha de ki hajar ngot ki briu ki balay lum Paidbah Hamadan Dilma Apal Mendi Pathar. Ka Banerjee kalaong ngawan hang ni banyat hu hapi baka TMC kadai ka party ka batang maka ka bala ban ai ka sorkar ka ba Shakri bha bat yarap ban penurlong ka jingpho sniu ki samla pulie bat ki kentai nga ai ki kentai ya ka Lakshmir Bhandar hang ni ngan ai shi hajar shaka kentai jong ka wei pakawei ka long yeng Haka jingwan yuk jat jongka Jylla ha ubanay no opera ka chairperson ka AITC kala pelat Paidbah ya ka WE card scheme bakular ban ai song jingarap pisa syaki kentay ka Jylla Meghalaya kum ka jingpen kop bor yaki. Kani ka scheme kala yo ya ka jingpen rung kerteng palat lai point sanpau lakngud hadu menta. Habajer ki jingbam la trekam jong sorkar MDA ka Mamata kalaong ka ka baka sorkar kala le hakini ki san snem nga kop yaki banpin iya ka report card ya ka bakila le hakini ki san snem balay labon tali ki kam ka boarding kam shem la poi ha Meghalaya balay baki samla kim yo ya ki lat yo kam yo jam Habakadaw, ya ka jing IT jong ka Meghalaya TMC, ya ka Jylla, ka Mamata kala kerpa iki Paidbah, ban penkop ya ki brio, bat IT ya ka Dairiti, le kemen ya ka jinglong kerpang ka Meghalaya.
We won! 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 Youth wants, students wants, women wants, farmers wants, SC wants, tribal wants, farmers wants, workers wants. You will be the winner. I came to tell you, Trinamool Congress is the only party who can give you the better governance, who can achieve the dream of the youth, the students, the women. I give all the women Lakshmi Bhandar, 1,000 rupees in every family, every sister. Please mind it. We give farmers. We give fisheries, fishermen. We give youth. We give students. We give smartphone to all the students who are class 12. Just free. Cycle also we give free. School days also we give free. All we give, and central government. How they behave with us, you cannot imagine. My brothers and sisters, if you see the BJP, you will see they have two faces, double faces, double engine government. They will say something at the time of election, and they will do something after the election. So if the election is announced, I will certainly request you, let us try. Let us try this time. Why will be afraid? Money is not at all a matter. The matter is the manpower. I want Meghalaya, government of the Meghalaya, by the Meghalaya, for the Meghalaya. No outsiders is allowed here, only the Meghalayan people. What this government has done 5 years? Where is their report card? We challenge them. First show your report card, what you did for 5 years, and after that you say so many things. At the time of election, petrol is free. At the time of election, they mislead the people. They say domestic gas, we are giving concession. At the time of election, they will say, we'll give this and that. They want to become the big hero. Even they can use the teleprompter. The speech is ready, only they speak. We don't do it. Because whatever we say, we are saying from my heart. And Meghalaya is my heart. And that's why I'm saying from my heart. This time, whatever the proposals may come from BJP party or MDF party, you will never bow down your head to anyone. To restore your pride, to restore your glory, for the future of Meghalaya young generation, the women empowerment, the farmers, the media people, for all. It may be SC, it may be ST, it may be OBC, it may be minorities, it may be Bengalis, it may be Khashi, it may be Garo, it may be all the caste, all the community, and all the creed. Please remember, our two flowers means mother and father, brother and sister. And three leaves, if you see, petals, then you will see it is just like Garo, Khashi, and Jayantia. Are you hungry? But you are political hungry, of course. You need some political food. If you want to change the present corrupt and discredited government, then please see TMC is the only credible party and the alternative. There is no alternative. We know how to fight.